Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully a quick short video for you today, but I wanted to talk to you about CIMA's recent development with the Class of 22 program. The Class of 2022 is available from the 12th of September, which at the point of releasing this video will probably be a week prior to today, and the course will run until the end of November, on the 30th of November 2022. You may be asking yourself, what is the goal of the 2022 course? And the goal is to help you, the students, navigate your way through the objective test exams during September to November. And the way CIMA are enabling this is to provide you with additional learning material and communication to help support you through the exams. I personally think this is a fantastic opportunity, particularly for those students who are A, struggling at their exams, or B, really finding the lack of motivation to help them get through their exams. And this additional support that is available to you could be extremely helpful and effective for enabling you and giving you that motivation and the push that you need to get going, to continue to progress through those exams. Now, what is in it for you by joining the Class of 2022 program? First of all, you will have access to 60 hours of support material that you can work through at your own pace to help you get through those exams. The content will be provided to you in the form of webcasts and articles, which will give you the full flexibility to work through those materials at your own pace. You will also be given further recordings of tricky topics that are identified by CIMA, which means there is no better time for you to get enrolled in your exams, because there will be additional support for the tricky areas of the syllabus and the areas of the syllabus that people typically struggle with. This additional material is free of charge and will help you directly to pass those exams. You will also be granted access to a study calendar, which will help you to effectively manage your revision so that you can set yourself a deadline and work through your revision schedule that will enable you to meet your pass deadline for your particular objective test exam. Half of the battle with CIMA is to be productive and effective within your revision and sticking to a schedule that has the consistency and the effectiveness to help you pass your exams. And you're going to be given help with this so that you should be able to hopefully be ready to go as and when you plan to schedule your objective test exam. You will also be given access to a free Facebook group which will have access to CIMA staff members as well as the wider CIMA community. Whether you are looking to meet your next CIMA study buddy or meet a representative of CIMA that can help you answer a few of your questions, and this is going to be an extremely valuable resource to help connect you with the people that could potentially help you to progress through your qualification. And the big one, the one that I mentioned at the start, is you will be given one free exam resit providing you meet the terms and conditions required to do so. But this benefit could be worth anything from around £60 to £100 depending on which objective test exam you are sitting. So there's a pure benefit there to give you the peace of mind that if you do fail your objective test exam while sitting the Class of 22 course, then you will be given the opportunity to resit that exam completely free. Now, who on earth would want to turn that down? And then last but not least, of course, you will be given a certificate of completion for the Class of 2022 cohort. A little additional benefit to say that you worked through that additional 60 hours of material and it has effectively enabled you to pass your objective test exam. You can find down in the description and the pinned comments below the link to the Class of 2022 webpage that I have shown on screen during this video. If you do have any questions on anything I have covered today or anything looking to be offered by the Class of 2022, then please do feel free to reach out and I'm more than happy to answer those questions. But that's all from me today, short, sharp and sweet, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.